welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of secret superfoods, foods packed with incredible health benefits that often fly under the radar. We're going to uncover some surprising foods you might not have heard of, and I'm willing to bet you'll be adding a few of these to your shopping cart very soon. First up, we're talking about chia seeds. These little guys are packed with nutrients, fiber, protein, antioxidants, and omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds are a fantastic plant-based option for omega-3s, especially if you're not a big fish eater. They're loaded with fiber, which is crucial for digestive health, blood sugar regulation, and feeling fuller for longer. Instead of a candy bar, whip up a quick chia seed pudding with almond milk, berries, and a touch of honey. You're getting healthy fats, a huge dose of fiber, and satisfying your sweet tooth in a way that supports your overall health. Chia seeds are incredibly versatile. Sprinkle them on salads, blend them into smoothies, or use them as an egg replacement in baking. Get creative in the kitchen and see how you can incorporate these nutritional powerhouses into your diet. But before you run off to the grocery store, let's move on to our next secret superfood. Next up, we're diving into the world of algae. Spirulina, a blue-green algae, is a complete protein and packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. It contains chlorophyll, which helps detoxify the body by binding to toxins and heavy metals. Spirulina is also rich in B vitamins, crucial for energy production. You can find it in powder or tablet form. Add a scoop of spirulina powder to your smoothies or mix it with water or juice. It has a slightly earthy taste, but you can easily mask it with other flavors. If you're looking for a natural way to detoxify your body, boost your energy levels, and up your nutrient intake, spirulina is worth checking out. Now let's move on to our next superfood. 9. Our next superfood takes us to the Andes Mountains of Peru, where it's been used for centuries for its incredible health benefits, especially hormone balance. Maca root is considered an adaptogen, helping our bodies adapt to stress. It's been shown to help balance cortisol levels, our stress hormone, reducing feelings of stress and anxiety, promoting better sleep, and improving energy levels. Maca is also traditionally used to enhance libido and improve sexual function in both men and women. Maca has a slightly nutty and earthy flavor and is typically consumed in powder form. Add it to smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, or even bake with it. I enjoy adding a teaspoon of maca powder to my morning smoothie for an extra boost of energy and to support my hormonal health. If you're feeling stressed, run down, or just want to give your hormones a little extra love, maca root is worth exploring. Let's move on to our next superfood. 10. Let's talk about hemp seeds. These tiny seeds come from the hemp plant, which is part of the cannabis family, but they won't get you high. Hemp seeds are a complete protein and a great source of healthy fats, including omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. They have an ideal 3-to-1 ratio of omega-6 to omega-3, promoting balance and reducing inflammation. Hemp seeds are also a good source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, crucial for digestive health and blood sugar regulation. Enjoy hemp seeds by sprinkling them on salads, blending them into smoothies, or adding them to yogurt or oatmeal. You can even find hemp seed milk, a great dairy-free alternative. If you're looking for a plant-based protein powerhouse, hemp seeds are a fantastic addition to your diet. Get ready to discover camu camu, a fruit native to the Amazon rainforest that's bursting with vitamin C. Camu camu has one of the highest concentrations of vitamin C of any food on the planet. Just 1 teaspoon of camu camu powder provides over 600% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin C. It's also a good source of antioxidants, which help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Camu camu is typically consumed in powder form, and you can easily add it to smoothies, juices, or yogurt for a tangy, vitamin C-packed boost. If you're looking for a natural way to supercharge your immune system and protect your body from damage, camu camu is a powerful ally. Let's move on to our next superfood. Let's explore moringa, a tree native to India that's been prized for its medicinal properties for centuries. Moringa is often referred to as the miracle tree because almost every part of it is packed with nutrients and antioxidants. Moringa contains compounds that have been shown to reduce inflammation throughout the body, which can help protect against chronic diseases. It's also a great source of antioxidants, including vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene. Moringa contains a good amount of iron, essential for energy production. You can find moringa in powder form, capsules, or even as a tea. I enjoy adding moringa powder to my smoothies or mixing it with water or juice. If you're looking for a natural way to reduce inflammation, boost your energy levels, and support your overall health, moringa is worth adding to your diet. Let's move on to our next superfood. Now it's time to talk about baobab, a fruit native to Africa with a tangy, citrusy flavor. Baobab fruit is over 50% fiber by weight, more than most other fruits and vegetables. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system and acts as a prebiotic, providing food for beneficial gut bacteria. Baobab also promotes healthy skin with its high vitamin C content, boosting collagen production and reducing wrinkles. The antioxidants in baobab help protect our skin from damage caused by free radicals. You can find baobab in powder form, which can be added to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or baked goods. It has a slightly tangy and citrusy flavor that adds a delicious twist to recipes. If you're looking for a gut-loving, skin-boosting superfruit, baobab is worth trying. Let's move on to our next superfood. Let's talk about Sacha inchi, a plant native to the Amazon rainforest that produces seeds packed with healthy fats, protein, and antioxidants. Sacha inchi seeds are a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, especially for those following a plant-based diet. They are also a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need. Sacha inchi seeds are rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. You can enjoy Sacha inchi seeds raw, roasted, or ground into a powder, add them to trail mixes, sprinkle them on salads, or blend them into smoothies for a boost of protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants. If you're looking for a delicious and nutritious way to increase your omega-3 intake, boost your protein levels, and protect your body with antioxidants, Sacha inchi seeds are a fantastic addition to your diet. Let's move on to our next superfood. Now let's talk about lucuma, a fruit native to Peru with a naturally sweet, slightly caramel-like flavor. Lucuma has a low glycemic index, meaning it's digested and absorbed slowly, providing sustained energy without the sugar rush. It's also a good source of fiber, antioxidants, and essential nutrients like vitamin C, beta-carotene, and iron. You can find lucuma in powder form, which can be added to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or baked goods. It has a naturally sweet flavor that adds a delicious and healthy twist to recipes. If you're looking for a natural sweetener that's low in sugar, high in fiber, and packed with antioxidants and essential nutrients, lucuma is a fantastic option. Let's move on to our next superfood. 8. Finally, let's talk about sea buckthorn, a shrub that grows in the mountainous regions of Europe and Asia. Sea buckthorn berries are small, orange-colored fruits packed with nutrients and antioxidants. Sea buckthorn is a fantastic source of vitamin C and other immune-boosting nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin E, and flavonoids. Sea buckthorn oil, extracted from the berries and seeds, is rich in essential fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins, making it a powerful natural remedy for various skin conditions. It's effective in treating eczema, psoriasis, acne, and even sunburns. The essential fatty acids in sea buckthorn oil help moisturize and nourish the skin, while the antioxidants protect against damage caused by free radicals. You can find sea buckthorn in various forms, including berries, juice, oil, and capsules. If you're looking for a natural way to boost your immune system, improve your skin health, and protect your body from damage, sea buckthorn is a powerful ally. 9. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this deep dive into the world of secret superfoods helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future videos about health, nutrition, and well-being, and be sure to let me know in the comments which superfood you're most excited to try. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the incredible world of nutrition.